class. Today I will talk about how can you select categories on your Everand app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this way, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you go down here, you click here on discover down here. When you just click here on discover, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. And here in this list, like you see here, can you select categories here of all this books. So here can you select it, then it's going to add with you. So that's all you have to do. I wish know you are great. Just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe. So thank you for your watching.